Hey everyone, welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in the crypto world. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies, Cardano ADA. With the market in a state of flux, everyone's asking the same question: is Cardano poised for a major rebound? Could we see a surge to the $1 mark, or is the bearish trend here to stay? Stick around as we break down the current market trends, technical indicators, and what the future might hold for ADA. But before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial or investment advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and can involve significant risk. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The views expressed in this video are solely my own and do not necessarily reflect the views of any other individuals or entities. I am not responsible for any financial losses you may incur as a result of your investment decisions. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. All right, let's kick things off by examining where Cardano currently stands. Over the past week, ADA has been locked in a fierce battle between the bulls and the bears. This ongoing tug of war has resulted in significant price fluctuations, leaving investors on edge. The broader altcoin market has been in a slump, and Cardano hasn't been immune to this trend. In fact, the downward pressure on ADA has been relentless, making it increasingly difficult for the bulls to stage a comeback. As we look at the numbers, ADA has been hovering around the $0.3345 mark, with a slight 0.8% uptick during the European trading session. However, this small gain is just a drop in the ocean compared to the overall bearish sentiment that has gripped the market. The key question now is whether Cardano can break through the crucial resistance level of $0.35. If it can, we might see ADA making a push toward the $0.50 mark, and who knows, $1 might not be out of the question. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's take a closer look at the challenges ADA is currently facing. So why has it been so tough for Cardano to gain any real momentum? The answer lies in the ongoing battle between the bulls and the bears. Neither side has been able to secure a decisive advantage, and this stalemate has kept ADA's price under significant resistance levels. Traders are understandably cautious given the uncertain market conditions. As a result, ADA has struggled to break free from this tight range. Now, according to CoinLast data, the Cardano derivatives market has seen a significant decline across several key metrics. We're talking about a 64.75% drop in volume, which now sits at $167.60 million. Open interest, while relatively stable, has seen a minor decrease of 0.02%, totaling $162.72 million. But here's where it gets really interesting. The options volume has plummeted by a staggering 92.94%, down to just $6.59K. Similarly, the open interest in options has decreased slightly by 0.27%, amounting to $374.92K. These figures paint a clear picture. There's been a marked reduction in market activity and interest in ADA derivatives, which could explain the lack of upward momentum. But it's not all doom and gloom for Cardano. Despite the bearish market trends, ADA has shown some resilience, particularly when it comes to its total value locked TVL and network activity. According to Dbmeta, Cardano currently boasts a TVL of $181.98 million. This is a crucial metric to watch because it indicates the amount of capital locked within Cardano's decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem. A higher TVL generally suggests stronger network health and investor confidence. In addition, Cardano's stablecoin market capitalization stands at $13.63 million with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.29 million. These numbers, while not groundbreaking, do show that there is still active engagement within the Cardano network. In fact, over the past 24 hours, Cardano recorded 20,242 active addresses, signaling that the community is still very much involved. So what does all this mean for ADA's price action? Well, it suggests that while the market is currently under pressure, there is still a solid foundation underpinning Cardano. This could potentially provide the fuel needed for a price rebound. if the broader market conditions start to improve. Now let's dive into the technical indicators because this is where things get really interesting. The 4-hour chart for Cardano shows a mixed outlook with some signs pointing toward a potential bullish reversal. First up, we have the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD indicator. Currently, the MACD line, that's the blue one, is slightly above the signal line, the orange one. This crossover is typically seen as a bullish signal, suggesting that we might be on the verge of an upward move. However, the histogram, basically the difference between the MACD and the signal line, is near the zero line. What does this mean? It indicates that momentum is weak in either direction. So while the MACD is showing some promise, the overall momentum is still lacking, which could mean that any potential upside might be limited. Next, we have the Relative Strength Index RSI, which is currently at 51.81. For those of you who might not be familiar with RSI, it's a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. An RSI above 70 typically indicates an overbought condition, while an RSI below 30 indicates an oversold condition. At 51.81, Cardano's RSI is slightly above the midline of 50, suggesting that the market is neither overbought nor oversold. This neutral stance further adds to the uncertainty, making it difficult to predict ADA's next move with confidence. And finally, let's talk support levels. The immediate support for Cardano is at $0.33. If the downward pressure continues, we could see ADA dropping to $0.30. And if the selling really intensifies, we might even see a dip to $0.28. On the flip side, if ADA can break through the $0.35 resistance, we could see a rally towards $0.50 and maybe even higher. But as it stands, the technical indicators are giving us a bit of a mixed message. So it's crucial to keep an eye on these levels as the market evolves. So where does this leave us? Is Cardano set to rebound, or are we in for more bearish action? Well, a lot depends on the broader market conditions and how the bulls and bears continue to battle it out. If Cardano can manage to break through the $0.35 resistance level, we could see some serious upside potential. But if the market continues to falter, ADA might struggle to maintain its current levels, let alone push toward $1. It's also important to consider external factors such as broader market sentiment, regulatory news, and technological developments within the Cardano ecosystem. All of these elements could play a role in shaping ADA's price trajectory in the coming weeks and months. In conclusion, while Cardano is facing some significant challenges, there are also signs of resilience within the network. The key will be whether ADA can build on this foundation and overcome the resistance levels that have been holding it back. As always, it's essential to stay informed and keep a close eye on the market as things unfold. And remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and make informed decisions. That's it for today's deep dive into Cardano's price action. What do you think? Is ADA on the verge of a breakout, or are we in for more turbulence ahead? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you're always up to date with the latest crypto news and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.